Hi folks, welcome to 32nd video of the series. Today I am going to explain you about iterator in Python. In first line I listed normal random numbers and assigned to L1 variable. In the next line I am using iter function applying to L1 variable and assigned to it. Then here infinite loop. So here iter function can give you one item at a time. Here I am starting loop that will keep running forever unless we break out of it. Next we are trying to print one by one elements of the list 23 65 it goes on. Then after completing 43 it will raise error stop iteration. Like this it will raise error, so except that error we will break the loop here. So we are it will loop will keep runs unless we break it. So we are breaking this loop. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.